Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how AWS Amazon Web Services can take you from zero with no experience or degree to a six-figure cloud career. Let's dive in. Why AWS is a big deal? AWS powers massive companies like Netflix, NASA, and Airbnb. Because of that, demand for cloud professionals continues to grow. Learning AWS opens doors to jobs that are flexible, high pay, and future-proof. What's possible with AWS? Wondering if this is possible for someone like you? Absolutely. Picture this. A retail worker starts learning AWS in the evenings. A few months later, they pass a certification and land a support role at $60K. Or someone with no tech background follows a learning plan and becomes a junior cloud engineer. These are typical transitions happening all the time, and you can be next. The AWS roadmap. This is the proven path. First, learn the fundamentals of cloud computing. Then, get certified to validate your knowledge. Next, build hands-on project to show what you can do. Finally, apply for jobs that match your skills and start your cloud career. How to learn AWS free and cheap. You don't need a big budget. Start with AWS Skill Builder for free training. Use YouTube channels like Free Code Camp. Practice using the AWS free tier. It's safe and free to use. And invest in affordable courses on Udemy to guide your journey. Certifications that open doors. AWS certifications shows employers that you know what you're doing. Start with the AWS Cloud Practitioner. It's designed for beginners. Then move up to the Solutions Architect Associate, which is highly respected. From there, you can explore advanced certs like DevOps or System Ops, depending on your path. So projects that get you hired. Certs get you noticed, but projects get you hired. Build and share it projects like hosting a static website on S3, launching a secure server with EC2, or automating backups using Lambda. Document your work on GitHub and share it on LinkedIn to stand out. Entry-level job titles to target. There are plenty of roles to get started in cloud even with no degree. These include Cloud Support Associate, Junior DevOps Engineer, Cloud Analysts, and even entry-level Solutions Architects. Many of these roles are remote and come with strong salaries. How to stand out in the job market. Want to stand out? Create a portfolio of your projects. Post your progress on GitHub. Share your journey on LinkedIn. It shows initiative. And connect with cloud communities to learn faster and grow your network. Here's a recap. Learn the basics, earn a certification, build real-world projects, and apply for cloud jobs. No degree required, just focus, consistency, and I believe that this is possible because it is. And that's all we had for you in this video. If this video helped you, hit like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments. Where are you starting from? See you next time.